Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Availity. First, let's verify patient eligibility and benefits. From the top menu, click Patient Registration and then select Eligibility and Benefits Inquiry. Enter the patient's insurance ID, date of birth, and date of service. Submit the inquiry to view important information such as copays, deductibles, and network status. Checking eligibility before providing services can help prevent claim rejections and billing issues. Next, let's submit an electronic claim. Go to Claims and Payments and select Claims and Encounters or Professional Claims. Complete all required fields marked with a red asterisk. Be sure to enter the full 9-digit zip code and a unique patient control number so you can easily track the claim later. Review the information, save the claim, and submit it. Once the claim is sent, Availity will generate a transaction ID. Write this number down for future reference. You can also manage your account settings. Click Account to access user management options. Administrators can assign different roles and permissions to team members based on their responsibilities. Using these features regularly can help streamline your billing process and reduce administrative delays. Thanks for watching.